Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Continuing on from where we left off in the last video where we removed the bumper. Now I'm going to remove the headlight and get this ballast replaced. This is a replacement. This is not a genuine BMW replacement. This is probably manufactured in China, if I had to make a guess, but at a cost of about 20 quid. I think from memory I could probably replace this 10 times for the cost of a BMW one. Whether it lasts remains to be seen, but we'll give it a go. What we'll do first is obviously have to get the headlight off, and then we'll look at the actual replacement. So thanks for stopping by. Let's get into it. Okay then, so what we're going to do is we're going to obviously have to take the headlight unit out to be able to access the module on the bottom in order to be able to replace it. The headlight itself is held in with 4 screws. The first is here in the top. The next is underneath. Hopefully you can see that. I've got my finger pointing at it. Hopefully you can make that out. The next here, and then another one here, which is an 8mm screw. These ones are all T30s, and that one's obviously an 8mm screw. So what I'll do, I'll whip all of them out and then we'll bring you back after. Okay, there we go. One thing I did forget to mention actually is that the indicator unit is completely separate. I didn't mention that, so you don't have to do anything with that. Let's just leave that as it is. Okay, so now we can disconnect the connector because I need to move the whole headlight unit away from the car. And there we are. There is the offending item. Now, as you can see, it's looks like the right part. Won't actually know until we get this one off and check the connectors. Hopefully it is. If not, then obviously I'll have to get a different one or get the correct one. But yeah, held in with 4 more torque screws, which if I had to guess, I'd say they were probably T20 or maybe slightly smaller. I'll go and grab a tool and we'll whip these out. Okay, so this module only actually has 3 screws in it. Quite why there's one missing, I have no idea, but it obviously then stands to reason that this has been replaced at some point in the past. So this is probably not a genuine one either. Perhaps that's why it's failed. But obviously it would have had a genuine one at some point, which has also failed. So you know, it's kind of a pay your money, take your choice kind of situation. So screws out, and then underneath, if I move them screws out of the way, we've got the cable in here, and it definitely looks like we've got the right, yeah, it definitely looks like we've got the right unit. Yeah, the connectors are the right ones. So as you can see, we do need the seal, so we'll keep hold of that and then fit that to the new one. So I'll get a pair of scissors, cut this bag open, and we'll get it fitted. Right then, so what we've done is I've taken the seal off of the old unit, and I've put it on the headlight, so we'll just refit the new one. It'll only go on one way. In fact, we'll put that one on first. Like that, and like that. Tuck the cables inside. And then pop the 3 remaining screws that I've got back in. tighten them all down. And there we are. That is the unit replaced. Now all we need to do, refit the headlight and give it a test and make sure that that fixes our issue. Okay, there we are. As you can see, we now have a fully functioning headlight. So happy days. So yeah, the Xenon control unit it was, not the bulb and not the fuses. So all I need to do now, put all the screws back in, get the bumper back on, and that is job done. So there we are, bumper back on, headlight all back on and working perfectly well. Once the bumper's off, the headlight comes out pretty simply. It's only 4 screws and a socket that need disconnecting, and then the headlight's out and changing the ballast unit. Again, pretty straightforward. Obviously, it should have 4 screws. Mine had 3, but you get the idea. Yeah, so there we go. Thank you very much for joining me for this video, and I hope to see you all again for the next one. Take care. Bye bye now.